Welcome, fans.
You can do one with my friends.
I'll do one with yours after. Welcome, fans. We're back at the Chihuahua Sheltie house. Hey, Cookie.
Hi, Felix.
You mind?
Hi, go, Cookie.
Junior's just come back from school. He had to give everybody a kiss. Ah, Felix is back.
I know, baby. I know.
Turn her around. Hi, Cookie. Hi. She's like, hug me. Kiss me. Okay, who's next?
We have Eva.
Eva. Eva. She's so little.
She's tiny.
Hi, Daddy. It's like, why you can? Hi, hello, Eva.
But I gotta give her a big hug right now.
Okay. Hey, you just stop it.
Hi, dog, Chunky Tess.
Hey, Tess. Tess, you're such a big girl. Stop.
Hey, shh.
Nobody's taking your ball away. Hello, Tess. Tess is like, turn around, give me a kiss.
And then we have Ryder right here.
Hi, Ryder. Hi, Ryder. Look at you, big boy. These two are fighting, and I believe that...
Let's do Cookie. Cookie hasn't said hi yet.
Oh, I thought we did say hi to
I don't
Cookie.
think so.
I think so. Oh,
Yeah.
Cookie's so cute. Yes. Yes, you're doing Cookie again.
I don't care.
I don't care.
Wait, get one of the black ones.
Okay.
Get over here.
This one.
This one I think is Piper.
Piper. Piper, you're so cute. Look at the little black stripe. Piper.
Yep, I see Ada. Is it Piper?
You have to pick them up. Yep, that's Piper.
Yep.
This is Ada.
I can tell
Next
because
to
of
her
how
daddy.
big she feels.
Yeah.
I know. No, I'm trying to say hi to you. I'm trying to say hi to you.
Ada one.
I like kisses.
Ada. So cute. Ada.
They love kisses.
Yeah.
They love being held. They love snuggling. They love biting.
And I think Eva Levante is underneath.
We said hi to
Tess.
Eva.
Oh, Ada? Eva? Yep.
Yeah, we said hi to all
What's
six
out?
of
Oh,
them.
look at that. Love.
Even the rider. Why is your butt wet?
I think she fell in the water.
Watch your breath.
Hi. Hello.
Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Run, buddy. Come on, come on.
Quill. Quill's leave Tia alone. Quill. Comet, is somebody biting your leg? Eva's biting his leg. Hi, Noel. Comet's gonna play with one of his puppies. Hello, Tess. Get him, Tess. Get him. Get him. Ear biters.
Oh, there we go.
Hello, Felix. Oops. Felix fell off. The little puppies. You guys all good?
Yeah, they're like,
Now, this is called house raised. Home raised puppies.
hello, guys.
They're all attacking you. Okay, now I'm going to switch over to
My
your boss's phone.